stepping on me when I'm from the north now. But I love it when they show up and I got the whole crowd banging out so loud. The jaws hit the floor. Now I'm going around and I'm buying out the stores, and the people looking at me, yeah, I know the feeling sore. It's alright, man, come up, you cannot support anything I did, so don't expect me to even give you set or even 2 cents. And it's kinda funny now, people living like this, saying I should've never write a hit like this. I'm country, I'm from the north, rapping camouflage. I'm doing it wrong, man, to go back to my day job. What happens if I living on a pedestal? People looking at me, always saying that you're uncool. Never bought it at the store, this is who I was. I didn't have to go around pretending to shoot guns. I did it on a daily, yes, a little maybe. I don't really give a fuck, please don't say it to me. Everybody telling me the same damn thing. How you rockin' from the north with all the diamond chains? Ain't got no diamond chains, got a couple in the truck bed. People looking at me, yes, I might as well be dead. People hating on me, but I won't give up quick. Go ahead and say it, PA bound, bitch. And when I come from the north, rocking on a pedestal, people looking at me, man, you cannot compare to this. Everybody looking at me, might as well be around people that were rocking at the Sheraton. And the people way around me go around and round, and they say in DAWJ, we love your sound. And when I come around, the whole town goes ghost. It's kinda funny now, I love to see myself the most when I wake up and know that I'm doing something great. People looking at me, you still looking like Ricky Lake, sitting there eating off of that gold plate. It's alright, man, must have been great to be fake. You saying you country, never shot a buck, never driven a truck, but I got a couple stuck. It's funny, I ain't rocking no fake shit. People come around rocking on the lake bed. People looking at me, about to drop that buck quick. 570, you might as well get it, kid. Got them tire grips that'll make the mud spit 50 feet in the air if you hit the gas quick.